So this is the simplest and the easiest way to find out if your dryer vent has good or bad airflow or if it's clogged. Stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm going to show you what could possibly be happening even if you have good airflow but your dryer still isn't working well. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to set our dryer to air fluff if you have it, or the lowest setting depending on your dryer setting, and then we're just going to turn it on for a little bit. And now this is the type of dryer that you clean the lint screen on the inside. At the end of the video, I'll show you how to do it with if you have a dryer where the lint screen's up here. So now what you're going to do is there is a safety switch down here. This turns the dryer off if the door's open. So we're going to have to physically hold this in when we start the dryer to do our test. And please be really careful. It's going to be spinning, so just be careful when you are doing this test. So now we're going to turn the dryer on. So the dryer's on. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper and then hold it to where the lint screen is. And you hear that? That means that there is very good airflow in this dryer. The paper is getting sucked in. If you do the same thing and the paper is blowing out towards you or not getting stuck on there or getting stuck on very little, then that means that your dryer is having bad airflow. If this test works, and then you go up on your roof while the dryer's on and you don't feel any air coming out, that could mean that the dryer vent is disconnected in the wall or disconnected in the attic, which could be very dangerous. All this test lets you know is that there is good airflow. It doesn't mean that the dryer vent is working safely. Like I said, it could be disconnected somewhere else. Or if you have a very long vent, like if it's a 2-story dryer vent and it goes like 20 or 30 feet, you could be getting good airflow from this, but the dryer will still not be working. And then if you have one of the dryers where the lint tray is up here, it's a little bit easier because you don't have to open the door or anything. You're just going to turn it on and hold the paper over there and see if it's drying or not. And if you want to learn how to clean your dryer vent, check out this video over here.